Namaste everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have 10 tips, tricks and awesome features that you guys absolutely must try. So stay until the end of the video and let's get started. The first hack is really easy way to undo typing. If you are writing a text message or a note and then you want to delete what you have just written, all you have to do is shake your phone and you will see a notification pop up saying undo typing. And then you can just undo it, and it's that easy. I also recently deleted an entire note on my phone, but all I had to do to get it back was to give it a shake and it came back. The next hack is so cool that it blew my mind. Have you ever written a text message and then notice that you have made a mistake and you want to go back and fix it, but you can't get the little cursor where it needs to be easily to fix it? It becomes super annoying, and we have all been through that, right? Well, if you just hold down the spacebar and move your thumb back and forth, you can easily move the cursor around and scroll to fix the problem. I also have a hack for if you make a mistake in your calculator app. It's the most annoying thing, especially if you are adding up lots of different numbers. But if you swipe right, it will take it away one number at a time, and then you can correct it. Most of us know that you can easily take a screenshot on your phone by holding down the volume and power button quickly together. But did you know that you can then click on the screen grab, which will be in the lower left hand corner, and then you can add text to it, you can write with markers, you can highlight things as well. You could even add text. So if you are trying to point something out in a document or on a photo, you could quickly screen grab it and then draw all over it what you want to show someone. And then you can also send it to them. You can just press this share arrow button in the top right, and then you have the option to send it by text message or to email it to someone or even to airdrop it. And if you are someone who keeps their phone on silent for most of the time, did you know that you can create customized vibrations so that you will know who is texting you without even getting your phone out of your pocket? This is super simple to set up. All you have to do is go to the settings and then sound and haptics. Then choose ringtone, then vibrations, and then you can create new. You could literally do any kind of pattern. Save this, and then whenever they text you, you will know who it is. And my next hack is really easy way to send someone your location. All you have to do in a text message is write I am at, and then you will see current location will come up as an option. Click that and it will send your contact exactly where you are. This is great if you are meeting someone at a specific place. You can also stop those annoying pop-ups that comes while you are in an app that asks you to rate it or review it. It's super simple to disable these pop-ups. All you have to do is go into your settings and then iTunes and App Stores, and then you will see disable in-app ratings and reviews, and you can just click that off. Now if you ever need to call emergency services, it's so simple. All you have to do is to hold down a volume button and the power button at the same time. You will then see a little slider pop up that says emergency SOS, and if you slide that across, it will call the police. And you can also add emergency contacts to your phone just in case anything happened and someone needed to call your emergency contacts. It's very easy. All you have to do is click on the health app. That's the little app with the heart. then you will see something that says get more from health, and you can then set up an emergency contact or multiple contacts if you want to. Before getting into the next hack, I would ask all my viewers to share and subscribe my channel. Also press that bell icon for future notification. So now, without wasting more time, let's get into the next one. The next app here is very cool. You can actually Google the words water eject shortcut and then download a shortcut which will help water eject from your iPhone speakers if you were ever to submerge your phone. iPhone nowadays are water resistant, but you could still get waters into your speakers. But if you download the shortcut, it will literally get the water out of your phone. I have watched a few videos on it and it's literally mind-blowing. So, if you are a bit clumsy like me, who drops it in a bath or a pool or a sink, definitely download this shortcut. And if you ever writing a text message which is a mixture of letters and numbers, but you don't want to keep flitting between the two, all you have to do is hold down the numbers button, keeping your thumb on the screen, then choose the numbers that you want and then let go, and it will take you straight back to the letters without having to actually manually do it. When you swipe down on a home screen like this, you get into the Spotlight search interface, which is further I think most of the users don't use to its full extent. Yes, you can search for app or message or contacts, but did you know you can also do math, such as multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You can do all of that without getting into calculator. Did you know that your phone can act as a measuring tape and a leveler? All you have to do is download the Measure app, which is completely free on the App Store. You can just search for it in iTunes, and once you have it, you can then tap Measure and it will ask you to add your first point. So tap on it. When you have your first point of sight, then you can drag it all the way across to the next point, which is what you want to measure. And then it will give you a very accurate measurement in centimeters. And you can also use this app as an easy leveler. So if you are hanging a picture or something like that, you can just bring this app up, place your phone on top of it, and it will tell you if something is level or not. So guys, how was your experience with these tips? And if you found them useful, don't forget to place a comment. Also like, share, subscribe my channel, pressing the bell icon. Thank you.